Smart Blocks Search and Convert for Autocad 2026 brings uniformity to your designs by quickly organising geometry and text into blocks. Selected geometry is searched for within the drawing canvas. Existing blocks are filtered with the new Review toolbar and then highlighted. These selected geometries can then be converted into instances of a new block with the help of Autodesk AI. Alternatively, a more tailored experience is available as similar blocks can be suggested from your own block libraries or recently used blocks, and once converted, all the processed blocks are inserted onto the previously specified layers, all to help promote content reuse and standardization across your drawings. In Autocad 2026, the Smart Blocks Search and Convert tool is now available directly from the ribbon and will now search for text. Exact matching text or variable text can be identified, giving the designer the ability to specify attribute tags to manage text variations. These can then be edited during the block insertion process. The new Smart Blocks Search and Convert enhancements add to an already comprehensive toolset, enabling designers to work more efficiently with blocks.